STCW Standard of Training Certificate and Watchkeeping for Seafarers. Objective: ensure standard internationally recognized training for seafarers. Requirement: certificate for various maritime rules. Watchkeeping standard for safety at sea. Contributions: enhance seafarers' skills and preparedness, reduce accidents due to human error, improve vessels.
ITC, International Tonnage Conventions. Objectives: provides a uniform system for tonnage measurement of ships. Requirements: standardized formula for calculating gross and net tonnage. Apples to vessels over 24 meters in length. Contributions: ensure fair fees, regulation based on vessel size, facilitates uniform safety, and loading standards contributes to regularity efficiency.
COSWP, Code of Safe Working Practices for Merchant Seafarers and ISPS, International Ship Import Facility Security. COSWP Objectives: guide seafarers on safe practices aboard ships. COSWP Requirements: workplace safety protocols, hazard prevention. ISPS Objectives: protect ships and ports from security threats. ISPS Requirements: risk assessment security protocols for ships and ports. Contributions: COSWP reduce onboard accidents, ensure safe work environments. ISPS enhances security against terrorism and piracy.
Athens Convention of the Carriage of Passengers, Their Luggage by Sea. MLC 2006 Maritime Labor Convention. Follow objectives: protect passengers' rights during sea travel. Follow requirements: reliability, coverage for injury or loss. MLC 2006 objectives: improve living and working condition for seafarers. MLC 2006 requirements: minimum wage, 4 hours, medical care, living condition. Contribution: enhance passenger safety and security. MLC 2006 ensuring comfort, fair treatment for seafarers.